Welcome to Gentech, the most innovative technology in the commercial market. Important note: installation of all products must adhere to the manufacturer's guidelines, as well as comply with PCA, ASA/NZS 3500 standards, and any other relevant regulatory provision. If you are unsure, refer to the installation instructions included in the QR code Water Quality. Flush your lines before installing any Gentech products, and if an inline strainer is supplied, must be installed to ensure product is free of debris. Please follow the steps to make your installation quick and simple. Carefully inspect the contents of the box to ensure that all components, parts are included. Determine open and close operation, hot and cold. First, remove the washer and back nut from the breech. Next, attach the compression nut and olives to the breech. Slide on the hot and cold cartridge bodies and screw on the compression nuts. For precise tap hole alignment, position the complete tap set from above the mounting surface and secure it by tightening the compression nuts. Attach back nut and washers to the cartridge body. Next, from underneath, insert the breech into the tap holes and check for proper height adjustment. Place the back nut and washer on the spout attachment. Attach the lock nut and washer. Apply adequate amount of thread tape. Place the flange and screw on the spout adapter. Tighten the spout adapter with a strap wrench. Make sure the grub screw is at the rear when tightened. Make sure the breech is tight. Then, place the flange over both cartridge bodies and screw on the cartridge covers. Note that the cartridge cover threads are off-center to help with height adjustment. Position the spout and secure it with the grub screw. Ensure the grub screw aligns with the nylon hole. Attach the handles to the cartridge splines and adjust them to your preferred position. Fasten the handles with the flat washer, spring washer, and screws provided. Attach the appropriate colored button according to the requirement. Connect the water supply. Now we are ready to turn on the water supply and ensure no leaks evident. Activate to verify operation. Installation is now complete. If you are still experiencing problem, ensure to check out the troubleshooting provided in the user manual. If you are unsure and need assistance, then contact Gentech on +612 93194 422 or email at info@gentechaustralia.com.au.